Yes, I'm here with one of our machine. It's volvo. I don't know what happened, but that they reported it is not functioning any hydraulic. Engine is starting, okay, but the machine not moving any function. Okay, so what to do right now? Here to the rescue. Okay. Sit. Okay. So yeah, I'll try to start. See, it's powered. Starting. And aray ko! Putang ina mo. Ha! The door is kicking me. Yeah. Switching on the lock. You can see no any function on hydraulic. Okay. This is the rescue what I'm doing. Okay. We will see what happened. Okay, for the information of somebody, ito sila for the hydraulic lock. So the micro switch we have inside, normally open, it is not going to close while this switch lever was switch on. Okay, so that's a problem. As you can see, if I put direct, yeah, that's direct, so the hydraulic is functioning. Okay, so we found the problem, but I will try to repair the switch if it is possible to repair. So that's it. So the solution is founded. We will do repairing. I will try as I can. So sharing is caring. Thank you for watching. This machine is volvo blc 290. I found a problem. The switch wire, it is broken. As you can see, the red color wire. That's the problem. This was I told always to our maintenance here in our project site, that don't let the wire hang and swinging, or else the wire will be damaged at a long time, that the wire will swinging. Sorry. Okay, I will try to do something. I will use the normally closed. Okay, so it's maybe working. Okay, I will use a different direction of the lever. Okay, so you can see I use the black color that must be getting a supply from red color wire. So I use that black color to connect on the blue color wire. So the blue color wire is no connection at here, so I will use it. But the problem now will be the lever in a neutral position, the same like this, and working position, it's same like that. So as for temporary, to use this machine and work it well to our project. Okay, so this is it. We will show you after the remedy. Yeah, this is the neutral position now, as we can see. And when you put it down, so that's the hydraulic function. So you can see. Okay, so that's the position. because the switch is a double contact, normally closed and normally open. So if you don't have any idea about that, so you do not know what to do. But this is a temporary, maybe it can be permanent. Okay, thank you for watching again. Junha, Caterpillar Junhang at your service. Please follow us on my YouTube or subscribe, like and share also if you think that the video is very helpful. And at your service, Jun, the technician. Okay, goodbye. Okay ka na? You're going to work when the operator is came. Okay, so that's it.